Okay, my question on this one is I have a students who studied and did not study for a test, and they have their grade whether they passed or they failed. And my question to you is how many of the students in the survey above studied for the test and passed? So if you take a look at this chart here, you'll notice that the entry in the studied column and the passed row is 21. So those are the ones who studied and passed. There was one person who studied and failed. There was two who did not study but ended up passing, and there were six who did not study and failed. So what we call marginal frequencies are when we add the sums of the rows and the columns of a two-way table, which is this is a two-way table because we've got the students who studied and didn't study and the grades. So if you add this up, you'll have a marginal frequency of 22 and a marginal frequency of 8 in that direction as well. But for the question I've asked was how many studied and passed, there's just right there in the chart for you to see. So I've got one more example to show you. Um, Before we finish, what was 21. My next example will be example 2. Find and interpret the marginal frequencies for the survey above. So the marginal frequencies I kind of already told you about was when we add them this way. 23 students passed, 7 students failed, 22 students studied, 8 students did not. If we add them this way, we should get 30. If we add them this way, we should get 30. So the ones on the side bars, these are the marginal frequencies. So if that makes sense to you understand the word marginal frequency, you're able to click next and try one on your own.